Guys, it's Gary with RPM Diecast, and on today's Free It Friday is another ad van. It is the Hot Wheels Redline Club Nissan Skyline Haka. And the reason I'm cracking it is because of this cracked blister here, which I was in my previous video about Redline Club. I'm so excited to crack this open. I think it's going to look beautiful like the other ad van stuff under the light. But yeah, let's crack this open and then we'll come back after. That was the Redline Club Skyline that I got in with the crack blister. I put it on my desk. As you see in the previous video, I sold one of my Kaido House trucks today, as I'm no longer doing the Kaido House trucks. You'll still see videos of them. I'm just personally not going to be collecting them anymore. But so that's where it was on my desk, was where my Kaido House truck was. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and keep on collecting.